You look at this caliper, you can see that the bleeder hole here is on the bottom, which originally should be placed on the top.
Tech Time Tuesday.
You come over to the passenger side, you can see that this caliper is actually placed correctly. You have the bleeder hole on the top, so as you are trying to bleed it out, fluid gets pumped into this caliper, pushes all this air to the top, where you would then release the bleeder valve, let the excess air out until this is full of fluid and no air. On this side, that is not going to be able to happen. As you fill this caliper with fluid, that fluid is going to seep to the bottom and the air is going to seep to the top. So as you're going to bleed it, you'll get fluid out, you'll be able to bleed it, but there's still going to be air trapped up in the top of this caliper. That's going to end up causing some issues, such as a soft pedal. You'll get a real squishy pedal because you have air in your caliper, so there's air in the lines that's not allowing you to press down. There's no instant transfer. On this side, the side that you think would be having no issues because it's actually working the way it's supposed to, will actually end up causing a pull to the right or left, whichever way they end up having it wrong, because it's the dominant caliper. It's working how it's supposed to, unlike this one not working how it's supposed to. So as you're braking, you're getting a more dominant braking force on the right in this case, so it's going to start causing that drift. It'll also start causing it to lock up over time because it is braking more, it's getting hotter. You would think this one would start locking up because it has air in it, it's not doing what it's supposed to, but that isn't the case. You're going to start getting that pull as you're braking. So in the future, you might want to look at your calipers if you're having some sort of pull, or have somebody look at your calipers and just make sure to cancel out any issues that the bleeder holes are actually on the top on both sides. In this case, they're not, so that's the main issue we're dealing with today. If you want to see more tips and videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and we wish you safer and happier driving.
Tech Time Tuesday.